Hi guys. So the question today is, are flowers sustainable? Who knows? Let's find out. If you're talking about the flowers you pick up on the side of the road locally or growing in your backyard, then yeah, that's really sustainable. If you're talking about flowers you buy from a florist shop, I would say no, that's really unsustainable. Considering that 80% of the flowers are imported into the United States, they come with a really high transportation cost and carbon emissions. Anything that comes from far, flowers, food, anything, it has to travel to get to you. Not to mention the amount of pesticides used in the flower industry is crazy, and a lot of those pesticides are toxic. Solution? Perennials. They keep the soil covered, they have a deeper root system, and they enhance the soil health. Plus, they create more biodiversity and sequester carbon. Another thing you can do is look into native species for your area. Normally native species are better plants, they're stronger plants, they usually won't up and die on you, and they usually come locally. So a local grower will grow them, send them to your local nursery, and then you can go buy them. What if you want cut flowers? Well, I would suggest trying to grow them from seed yourself. They're not that hard. Zinnias are pretty easy to grow. Sunflowers are pretty easy to grow. In general, you can grow a lot of flowers from seed and make your own bouquets locally. Or if you're not up for that, because maybe you don't have the space, maybe you can't be bothered, you can find a local cut flower grower in your area that grows organically and doesn't use pesticides. And that way you could support local and still have flowers. Well, that's it for this one. I hope you learned something, and I'll see you next time.